Welcome, fellow travelers. Join us on a journey through some of the most intriguing and fascinating facts out there. Discover 30 curious and mysterious insights. Let's dive in. You know how planets are always moving and shaking, right? Well, our Earth is no different. Our planet has a constant, low-frequency hum that scientists have detected. It's like the Earth is singing a song so deep, our ears can't pick it up. Imagine the Earth as a giant, vibrating sphere. What's causing this hum? Scientists have theories. Could it be the crashing waves, the churning atmosphere, or something deeper, yet to be discovered? This hum is a reminder that our planet is a dynamic, living thing. Volcanoes are nature's fireworks, right? Spectacular displays of fiery power. But have you ever heard of blue lava? You heard that right. Blue lava? Visit Indonesia's Kawah Ijen to see it. It's sulfuric gases igniting with oxygen, rivers of electric blue fire. A scene straight out of science fiction. Remember the blue flames of Kawah Ijen. We often talk about the vastness of space, the sheer volume of data in the observable universe. Billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. Your brain has a storage capacity that rivals the universe itself. 2.5 petabytes of data. 1 petabyte is 1,024 terabytes, enough to store 3 million hours of TV shows. Every sight, sound, and experience is imprinted in your neurons. The human brain is the ultimate frontier, a cosmic mystery. I'm sure you've heard the mystery of synchronicity. Synchronicity, a concept introduced by Carl Jung, refers to the occurrence of meaningful coincidences that lack a direct cause and effect relationship, yet feel deeply connected. For example, thinking about someone right before they call you, or dreaming of an event that soon happens. Jung believed these events stem from a deeper, unconscious order, suggesting that life's seemingly random events are interconnected by meaning rather than chance. While the idea remains debated, many find comfort in the thought that synchronicity points to a hidden structure in the universe, offering a glimpse into the profound interconnectedness of life. Remember that time in Star Trek where Bones heals a crew member's injuries in seconds? We're not quite there yet, but we're getting closer. Thanks to 3D printing, science fiction is becoming reality. We're talking about printing human organs. Scientists are creating living organs from a patient's own cells. This could revolutionize medicine. That's the promise of 3D organ printing. While woolly mammoths are often associated with the frozen landscapes of the Ice Age, it's astonishing to realize that they still roamed the earth during the era of ancient Egypt. Around 4,000 years ago, as pharaohs like Khufu were overseeing the construction of the Great Pyramids of Giza, the last remaining woolly mammoths were clinging to survival on the remote St. Paul Island in Alaska. This incredible overlap between human civilization and prehistoric giants highlights a fascinating intersection of two very different worlds, reminding us that history often unfolds in unexpected ways. What's something people don't know about space? Space, as we know, is a sensory deprivation chamber. No air, no sounds, and certainly no restaurants. But what about smell? Is there an aroma of the cosmos? Astronauts report a distinct fragrance after spacewalks. A peculiar scent clings to their suits and equipment. Imagine gunpowder, seared steak, and hot metal. Add a dash of raspberries. How can space have a smell, you ask? Stellar explosions release molecules, including polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. So next time you stargaze, imagine the aroma of distant galaxies. I don't think people understand how much curiosity drives us to continuously seek answers and better understand the origins of our world and ourselves. Enter Göbekli Tepe, a site in Turkey that has sent shockwaves through the archaeological community, predating the pyramids by 6,000 years. It features monumental structures with intricate carvings. Dating back to 9,600 BC, Göbekli Tepe challenges our understanding of civilization's timeline. Massive T-shaped pillars, some weighing up to 20 tons, rise from the earth. These pillars are adorned with carvings, suggesting a sophisticated understanding of symbolism. As we continue to excavate, who knows what other secrets we might unearth? We've all heard of the five senses: sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing. But deep within the human brain, there might be a sixth sense lurking. Nestled in a tiny recess of the brain, shaped like a tiny pine cone, hence the name, sits the pineal gland. Don't let its size fool you. This little gland plays a big role. For centuries, mystics have pondered the pineal gland, calling it the third eye and linking it to spiritual enlightenment. We know it produces melatonin, a hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycles. Could the pineal gland hold the key to unlocking deeper levels of consciousness? When we think of the moon, we often picture a silent, still world, its cratered surface unchanging over eons. A celestial neighbor, frozen in time, right? Well, not quite. Just like our own planet vibrates with seismic activity, the moon has its own version of earthquakes, called moonquakes. Some are caused by Earth's gravitational pull, others by meteoroid impacts. These forces remind us of the interconnectedness of our universe. Understanding moonquakes is crucial for future lunar missions and inhabitants. Mount Everest, the highest point on Earth, a majestic peak that has beckoned climbers for centuries. We think of it as a symbol of permanence. But even Everest is not immune to the forces that reshape our planet. Mount Everest is still growing, millimeters per year, due to the collision of tectonic plates. It's a testament to the incredible forces at work. Our planet is a dynamic, ever-changing system. A giant, still reaching for the stars. Hummingbirds, with their iridescent feathers and remarkable speed, are fascinating creatures. They dart from flower to flower with agility. But did you know they can fly backward? Hummingbirds alone can fly backward. Their unique wing structure allows this. Their wings rotate in a figure-8 pattern. This gives them incredible maneuverability. Truly, hummingbirds are remarkable creatures. We've talked about the vastness of the universe, black holes and distant galaxies, but what about the spaces in between? What about the cosmic voids, those seemingly empty regions of space-time? These voids are not entirely empty. They contain a few galaxies, but far fewer than typical regions. Some voids are so vast and empty, they're called supervoids. When we think of forests, we often envision towering trees standing in silent majesty. Beneath the surface, a hidden world of communication is taking place. Trees are engaged in a complex and interconnected conversation. Scientists discovered trees communicate through a vast underground network of fungi. These networks allow trees to exchange nutrients, water, and information. It's nature's own internet, a subterranean social network. We humans pride ourselves on being loud. We've got screaming fans at concerts, roaring engines in our vehicles, and leaf blowers on a Saturday morning. But compared to the sperm whale, our noise is a whisper. These creatures produce clicks up to 230 decibels, louder than a jet engine at takeoff. Sperm whales use echolocation to navigate and communicate. Next time you think you're loud, remember the sperm whale. We've all had that feeling, haven't we? That gut feeling, that intuition, that deep down sense telling us what to do. You have a second brain in your gut, literally. It's called the enteric nervous system, a network of over 100 million neurons. It can send signals to your brain, influencing your mood, emotions, and behavior, and it plays a crucial role in your overall health. We often think of computers as a modern invention, but over 2,000 years ago, the ancient Greeks built a sophisticated analog computer. Pulled from a Roman shipwreck in 1901, the Antikythera mechanism is a marvel. This intricate device, made of bronze gears and dials, tracks the movements of the sun, moon, and planets. Imagine the minds that conceived and built this incredible machine. It's a testament to the ingenuity and thirst for knowledge in ancient civilizations. We've come a long way from punch cards and floppy disks. Today, we store terabytes of data on small hard drives. But the future of data storage might be in DNA. A single gram can hold hundreds of terabytes. DNA is incredibly durable. Fossilized DNA has survived for tens of thousands of years. DNA storage could preserve our digital legacy for generations. Imagine all the world's data in a space the size of a sugar cube. The Sahara Desert, a vast expanse of scorching sand dunes, unforgiving sun, and seemingly endless emptiness. But beneath the surface lies a secret network of ancient rivers. Scientists have discovered these buried waterways, some stretching for hundreds of kilometers. These ghostly rivers tell a tale of a different Sahara, once a lush savanna teeming with life. Climate change dried up the rivers, leaving only skeletal remains beneath the sand. These ancient rivers could hold the key to a sustainable future. Accessing groundwater could transform lives and revive the landscape. Most of us experience the world with our senses neatly compartmentalized. We see colors, hear sounds, smell aromas, all as distinct sensations. But for some, these senses blur, creating synesthesia. Imagine tasting a symphony or seeing the color of someone's voice. For synesthetes, this is reality. Synesthesia isn't a disorder. It's a different way of experiencing the world. The letter A might appear red, or a violin might taste like chocolate. Just as synesthesia blurs the lines between senses, Antarctica's vast, dry desert landscapes challenge our expectations of what a desert can be. You probably picture a frozen wasteland, right? And you wouldn't be wrong. But what if I told you Antarctica is also home to a desert? It's true. Nestled among the icy mountains are the McMurdo Dry Valleys, one of the driest places on Earth. A desert isn't defined by heat, but by dryness. The mountains block any chance of precipitation. It almost never snows or rains in the dry valleys. This extreme environment is the closest thing we have on Earth to the surface of Mars. Remember the McMurdo Dry Valleys, a stark reminder that our planet is full of surprises. Let's journey to the constellation Cygnus, where a star named KIC 8462852 lives. Also known as Tabby's star, has puzzled the scientific community. Stars dim and brighten naturally, but Tabby's star isn't average. It dims in ways we've never seen before, leaving us scratching our heads. Imagine observing a star, and its light dips significantly. Not just once, but multiple times. Some dips block a significant portion of the light. What could cause this strange behavior? Maybe a swarm of comets, or a massive ring of dust. Or could it be an alien megastructure? Hypothetical Dyson swarms could cause this dimming. We need more data to find out. And that's what makes science so exciting. We humans pride ourselves on our 5 senses: sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing. They're our windows to the world. But what if I told you we might have a 6th sense? Magnetoreception, the ability to sense magnetic fields. Many animals use the Earth's magnetic field to navigate. They have specialized cells that act like internal compasses. For years, the idea of humans having this ability was dismissed. Recent studies suggest otherwise. A protein called cryptochrome in the human eye is sensitive to magnetic fields. In other organisms, cryptochrome plays a key role in magnetoreception. The human magnetic sense, if it exists, is likely subtle. It could influence our behavior in ways we don't fully understand. You might just need to tap into your inner compass. We all know the speed of light, right? It's the cosmic speed limit, 299,792,758 meters per second. Einstein taught us that. But what about our brains? The speed at which your brain processes information is astonishing. It's faster than any supercomputer we've ever built. It really makes you appreciate the incredible power of that 3-pound universe we each carry around in our heads. We love to explore the universe, to gaze at the stars and galaxies, but what we see is only a tiny fraction of what's out there. The vast majority of the universe is made up of something we can't see. We call it dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter holds galaxies together, while dark energy accelerates the universe's expansion. At CERN, scientists are working tirelessly to unlock these secrets. They're smashing particles together, hoping to detect dark matter. Understanding these forces could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. There's always more to discover, more mysteries to unravel. From the vast emptiness of space, let's journey to the desolate beauty of the Namib Desert in Namibia. Here lies a mystery that has baffled scientists for decades: fairy circles. Millions of perfectly circular patches of barren land, dotting the landscape like polka dots on a giant red tablecloth. They appear seemingly out of nowhere, and then just as mysteriously, vanish. Theories abound, of course. Some scientists believe it's the work of termites. Others speculate it's a type of self-organization within the plant community. But despite years of research, nature still holds on to some of its most intriguing secrets. In the Sagittarius B2 region of space, there's a giant cloud of ethyl alcohol. This massive cloud, spanning over 150 light-years, contains enough alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. It's a fascinating discovery that shows the complex chemistry happening in space, far beyond our planet. This cosmic cocktail offers a tantalizing glimpse into the organic compounds swirling in the universe, hinting at the intricate processes that could one day lead to the formation of life itself. It may be hard to believe, but the humble chicken is a direct descendant of one of the most fearsome predators in history, the Tyrannosaurus rex. Through extensive research on fossilized remains and DNA analysis, scientists have confirmed that birds, including chickens, share a surprising amount of genetic material with the T-Rex. Despite their size and appearance differences, the connection lies in their skeletal structures and certain proteins, which are similar to those found in ancient dinosaurs. So, next time you see a chicken, you're looking at a distant feathered relative of one of Earth's most iconic carnivores. Hidden beneath Yellowstone National Park lies one of the most powerful supervolcanoes on Earth, a colossal magma chamber capable of unleashing catastrophic destruction. While it's been dormant for over 640,000 years, scientists believe it's still active and slowly building pressure. An eruption could blanket much of North America in volcanic ash, disrupting global climates and decimating agriculture. The sheer scale of its power is mind-boggling. It could eject 1,000 cubic kilometers of ash, dwarfing any modern volcanic event. Yet, despite its threat, we remain captivated by its beauty and mystery as we walk above one of nature's most unpredictable forces. When we think about moons, we picture a single sphere orbiting a planet. It's a classic cosmic dance. But Earth has a wandering companion, a small asteroid called 3753 Cruinia. It follows a bizarre horseshoe-shaped path around the Sun. Cruinia's orbit is synchronized with Earth's. It appears to chase Earth, almost catching up. So, next time you gaze at the Moon, remember our little asteroid buddy. When lightning strikes sandy soil or rock, it creates something extraordinary: fulgurite, a natural formation where the lightning's intense heat, up to 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, melts and fuses the sand into hollow glass-like tubes. These formations trace the exact path of the lightning as it travels underground, forming twisted, root-like structures. Fulgurites are rare and fragile, acting as nature's own sculptures, preserving the raw power of a lightning strike in solid form. Highly prized by collectors and scientists, they offer a tangible glimpse of one of nature's most powerful forces. From the hidden depths of our own planet to the far reaches of the cosmos, we've journeyed through the strange and mind-blowing. The universe never ceases to amaze. This is just the beginning. Countless mysteries await. Keep exploring the world around you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More mysteries await.